Is Trocar cleaning delaying surgery? End the nonsense of cleaning a Trocar with old tech. Old tech, like Charles Schwab, use foam swabs to absorb going in, but foam smears on the way out. A scope still can't enter. Another swab is not the answer. The OR is delayed, cascading onto the next case. Retracting swabs just spreads the mess until seals scrape the foam. Splash. End the frustration. Use the right cleaning tool. Trocar can be cleaned multiple times per patient. The new one-handed Trocar can be rinsed and reused. 0 to clean in only 5 seconds. Wow! Debris is isolated and captured with absolutely no seal splash. This Trocar is now scope ready. Trocar can clean a Trocar in most cases in one pass. Replace swabs by visiting Trocar.com or email sales@mednium.com. Now go get the right tool. Discover our other Clear products at www.mednium.com.